Hello, you're welcome to Lawyers Info Hub. It's a pleasure to always have you on this platform. If you're yet to join us, please do hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever we go live, whenever we drop a new video. We do hope that you enjoy this class today. So, we're looking at the business of law practice. The aim of Lawyers Info Hub is to share legal tips that will help you become a better lawyer, help you in your practice, help you in your career to achieve your goals, help you as a law student to understand in the most simplified way law tips or legal terms. So today we're looking at the business of law practice. It's a short one, but I just do hope that you understand the idea behind this topic and also run with it. You see, many people have been in the business of law practice, have been practicing for a while, but they don't understand the business of law practice. See, when you understand the business of law practice, that is when you gain more profitability. Yes, law is a professional career, and we're going to, we are expected to abide by the rules of professional of our RPC. Yes, it is the basic is important. Yes, but you must know how to navigate to be able to have a profitable practice. Now, you have the knowledge, you know the law, you understand the dynamics, you understand the inroads, you can do everything, you know what to do, but you don't even know how to utilize that legal knowledge to make it, turn it to wealth, to turn it into, um, finances. You don't know how to exchange your legal knowledge for what? Money. Now you've seen a lot of older lawyers who just lived on I will not call it a medium or a medium kind of life, it's just below average. And you're wondering, this person is a good lawyer, he's an older lawyer, he knows everything. Why is he not making it? Why is he not his life not changing? Why is he not, appearance looking not good? Why is this person suffering? That's what we use in this, jurisdiction. Why is this person suffering? It's not looking like he's really, he's just struggling per day, managing the little that's coming in. Whereby some other people who you feel do not even know the law, they are really making it big because they understand the business of law practice. Law practice, the business of law practice, these two must go together for you to earn profitably, for you to utilize your legal knowledge, to make good money. One of the things you need to understand is that you need to be seen to be heard. In this age of technology, a lot of people, once they need anything, they go online. Yes, wherever they are in the part of the world, once they need anything, go online. They don't even need to know anybody in that country. They just go online. And with what they see online, they can ask their question, reach out to whoever they need to reach out in any sector. So you must have an online presence. You must have an online presence. How do you have an online presence? You must have an active website as a lawyer. Can people just type your name or type lawyers that are into your area of practice and your name pops up? The name of your company pops up. A lot of people are on social media platforms without knowing how to optimize. There's something called optimization. How to optimize your presence in social media for your benefit. You're not just there because other people are there. You're going to be there because you want your business also to be there or to be seen. So you must know how to do optimization. You must have an active website. What are people seeing your LinkedIn? Are you on LinkedIn? There are also other professional social media platform you can be for your business. You need to project your business beyond your business. Your law practice should be different from you. You can have your practice with your name, your personal social media account, fine, but your practice name, your business, which is your law practice, must also have presence on social media. Yes, all must be done within the confines of the RPC. See, a lot of people, lot of these foreigners, international organizations, or even individuals who want to do business in Nigeria, who want to seek legal knowledge, they just go online and type law firms, or they will just put a search on what they're interested in. Some names will just pop up and they'll just write an email. Many people, they don't respond to emails. You see, you don't even check it for 2 weeks. You've not checked your email. Are you really like serious? Like you want to make money? Someone will send you an email, maybe a prospective client has sent an email to your office, or the line on your website, or the line on your or firm's profile is inactive, is no more going. You need to keep updating it, or you even have a website, your domain has expired, you're not ready to renew, or you don't want to pay. You must be you must be seen to be heard. You know the law, but you are not being seen. People are not seeing you. So you need to be seen to be heard. That's one of the rule in the business of law practice. Another thing is that it mustn't end with you. It means that you can have jobs that need you to collaborate. Many times people want to eat alone, die alone. You must learn to collaborate with people. You must learn how to bring in other people, and get the work done on terms. Yes, you must learn how to bring other people, put heads together. Sometimes we see, most of our senior advocates doing cases with other senior advocates. Yes, you have to pull resources, legal resources together, bring the people together. No matter how the complex the legal work is, you can bring one or two people together. Your friends, that doing well, what that area of law, bring them together. You work as a team. You make more, impact. You make more impact. Another thing in understanding the business of law is more understand how to charge. Sometimes we have privilege to have opportunity of meeting good clients, but because our idea, or what we believe, we still operate on a very minimal level of practice. You need to associate with people that have gone for. A lot of firms charge, crazy. You might call it crazy fee. They're not crazy fee because they have placed worth on their legal knowledge. You have to place worth on your legal knowledge. Someone will do a letter and charge 2 million naira for one letter. Somebody is struggling to do with 50,000. That is ability to have worth and create worth. Understand who you are. Understand the value you are giving. See what your legal services as great value. You're doing a favor to the client. You're doing great. You are not just, you're not just anyhow lawyer. So you must place value on yourself, place value on your legal knowledge. That is why you have to, that value you have placed on your legal knowledge makes it, when you want to charge, you charge well. So don't, so people will say you're rolling in poverty mentality. Up your game. Up your game. Know what is obtainable in other firms, what other people are doing. Be free to ask questions. How do you do it? How do you go about it? Do you understand? Sometimes you see people will come to you, seek legal knowledge, and at the end of the day, you will not see them again. You must know the limit on when you can share free legal knowledge. You must know, when you go to hospitals, you pay consultation fee to see doctors. And people say, well, do people pay consultation fee to see lawyers? Yes, many big firms, before you see their legal personnel, you pay to get the service. So when people come, let them know that, okay, this is what you want. Structure your firm in such a way that when people come to you, you can do an opinion to them on the issues they have brought, and you charge for your opinion. After you've done your opinion, then you know they're satisfied that you can do the job, or they want to proceed with you. Then you put your fees down. At least they have paid for the time. You spoke to them. You have paid for the time you use even to write for a legal opinion. Don't be too quick to give out free information. At the end of the day, people will go to another person, or they don't come back to you. At the end of the day, you've even done half of the job. So you must be tact. You must know how to hold your legal knowledge until it is paid for. Don't just give out everything free. Structure your firm in a way that before you begin to give out your legal service, you are charging for it, and learn how to charge. We have our scale of charges. A lot of people are saying, is it workable? A lot of people, it is working for a lot of people. Make up your mind, it's going to work for you. Have a limit to what you can charge. Have a no boundary. Have a place you can step up to. Have a place you can't. Have limits to what you can do and what you cannot do, the fees you can accept and the fees you cannot accept. If you reject a fee, it doesn't mean another one won't come. Don't make it look like without this, the person go. When a client is there and he feels like, "Hey, well, I'm not even bothered, knowing that I know what I know and I know I have value to give you." Then when you go, you will still come back. Don't make it look like without the clients, your life will not go forward. No. And you must also upgrade yourself. When you want value, when you want a client to pay more, when you come to your office is not conducive. It's not about the expensive or luxury. There are cheap, there are what people will call it cheap luxury, or those things that are affordable. You don't need to cut your coat at above your size or above your pocket or something. Just let your place of business, your practice, your firm, people call it place of business, yes. Let it be comfortable, let it be conducive, let it be a place that a medium person can come, an average person can come, a rich person can come, anyone can walk in and still feel good. Put in the basic things. It must not be luxurious things, but the basic things that will make a place comfortable. Have a good setup. That I always believe that before someone should start up, have a plan, so that although that is the growing process and the small stage, time of building, fine, but whatever you're going to put up as your place of business, as your law firm, as your office, let it be conducive, let it be accessible. Let it not be a place people can't even access. Be careful where you situate your office. Let it be a place that will be very muddy. People can even come there. Let it be a place both the rich can come in, the poor, the average person can come in, a place that is accessible. So locating your firm is very crucial. Know where you're locating your firm, and another thing must add value and knowledge to yourself. If people are coming to you and you're not giving out what you're supposed to give out, it's just a matter of time. They'll keep telling people that lawyer doesn't know what he just has name, but he doesn't know what he's doing. So improve yourself. If you need to get more knowledge, learn new things as the legal system is changing. Know the wave tide, know where it's going to, work towards it. Know your strengths and your weakness. What are those things that you want? Your passion is also very key. You must understand your passion. What works for you? What does not work for you? What are the area of interest? Build on your area of interest. If you need to also diversify, it's beautiful, you diversify. And at the end of the day, if you want to be a general practitioner, beautiful. If you want to go into another niche, create a niche for yourself. Walk into that niche, work on it, grow on it, join associations in that area and be an expert in that field. If you want to be a general practitioner, you must know your onions. See it as a thing of insult for you to seek help. A lawyer does not know it all, but a good lawyer knows where to get the law, know how to get it. If you need to utilize another person's library, go and seek the permission to use it. Public library, private libraries, you need a senior to lead you in courts. Approach the senior, create good relationship with people. You cannot be an island of knowledge. Be willing to associate with others, create a good network, utilize your network. You want a senior to lead you, meet the senior ahead of time. This is what the case is all about. And also learn to volunteer. You see, sometimes people don't learn to volunteer. They want to do everything for money. Learn to volunteer. You have seniors that you love their practice. Once in a while, go to them. Senior, is there anything I can do for you? I can, just help them attend one or two cases, help them with some draft. You send it back to them, you're learning, you're doing your own, you're learning. When they have something, something they feel they've passed. They say, there's this lawyer that has been very useful to this office. Give him that case. They might feel, well, what am I doing with the 2 million naira case, 3 million naira case? They will call you, give it to you. Learn to volunteer. Learn to volunteer. Learn to serve. Some people think, yes, I've passed people late. There's nothing like passing people late. Learn to serve. See, look out for those seniors that have gone ahead of you. You like their way of practice. You like the way they do in court. You like the level of knowledge. Go close to them. Help out in your free time. Go to court. If you don't have any safety, are you going to court this week? Can I know which court you're going? Appear with them. Know how things are being done. That way, you're improving your profitability, you're increasing your knowledge, and at the end of the day, you're going to enjoy this aspect of the business of law practice. Yes, don't be a lawyer who knows the law but cannot earn good fees from the knowledge you have. I have a lot of things to say, but we're going to say in the subsequent videos. We have over 200 videos, great content that will help you as a lawyer, that will help you as a law student. Go through our channel, subscribe. You'll be glad. You can stay a whole day on this channel and you're not tired because you have great value knowledgeful packages containing video forms for you to help you grow, to help you become that better person that you desire to be. Thank you, and remain blessed. I know that the sky can be your starting point if you choose. Be resilient, don't give up, keep pushing. One day, everything will be well. Thank you.